Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to port forward on Linux. This is one of the things I struggle with a lot, like on Windows and even Linux whenever I first switched. Um, so one thing a lot of people mess up is they don't configure their firewall, or they just don't know that they have to. This is what my issue was. I would port forward and I would start up my server, and I'd try to have my friends connect with my public IP address, and it would just not work. It would, say server doesn't exist. Um, but that was a firewall issue, obviously. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to do this with a Minecraft server. This will work with anything, like if you're on the Rust server or anything like that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is figure out what your port is for the server that you're running. I'm going to go into the Minecraft server folder that I made, and I'm just going to vim into server properties. We want to look for server dash port. Okay, it is right here. It's 25565. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open that on your router. You want to, on Xfinity they make you do it through the app now, but it really just depends on what your router is, what provider you're using. So you want to open that port on your router, and yeah. Then normally you would think that would be enough, but it's not. You have to configure your firewall now. So Linux doesn't usually have a firewall pre-installed, like if you're running Arch at least. So we need to install that. Sudo pacman-s ufw. UFW is just a firewall. Once that's installed, we're going to do sudo ufw allow 25565. That's the port that you opened. You're going to put in your port that you're using right here. And just enter. It's going to update the rules. Sudo ufw enable. That enables the firewall. So now the firewall's active, and that port is allowing connections in from that port. So now you just want to start your server. Okay, my server's started up now. I can open up Prism and start my Minecraft. Now you're gonna have other people connect from your public IP address, so you just want to go to your browser, type in what is my IP. Okay, and your IP address is going to be right here. You're just going to copy that, and you're going to have them paste it into their add server. They're going to paste it in there, and it looks like it did not work. Okay, so the reason why it didn't work is because I did not port forward on my router. I just realized. So this should work for you. You should be able to join, and other people should be able to join. Make sure if you do, I mean, on other games other than Minecraft, you're gonna have to type in the port after your, so 25565, you'd have to type it in after your IP like this, and they should be able to connect. And that's about it. So yeah.